Hello guys, welcome to Java8. Today we will be discussing functional interface and Lambda expression from Java 8. To understand Lambda expression, we first need to understand functional interfaces. If an interface contains only one abstract method, then it is termed as functional interface. Let's understand it with an example. Here we have created test interface and there is single abstract method getValue inside it. We have annotated this method with @functionalinterface annotation. This annotation is not mandatory. Any interface with single abstract method will work as functional interface. Lambda expression is used to implement a method defined by a functional interface. Let's understand it with an example. Here we have defined test interface as a functional interface with getValue method. This is a single abstract method in test interface. In the main class we have defined local variable of test interface and we are assigning lambda expression to this reference variable. This lambda expression indicates that this method should return value hello, this is a test interface. As there is a single abstract method in test interface, this lambda expression is applicable to getValue method. So when we call ref.getValue, it will return hello, this is a test interface string. So in this way we can define method body with the help of lambda expression. So in today's video we saw how to use lambda expression and functional interfaces. So that's it for today from Java8. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.